Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of September 5th, 2021. Hope everyone have a relaxing time and enjoy with your family on the Labor holiday weekend. Last week, head into the long holiday weekend, the markets were going sideways. The consumer confidence dipped to the 6-month low. August private job weaker than expected. The manufacturing production and factory order increased in August. The September most of the time is bad for the stock market. However, up to this point, I don't see any sign of correction yet. The overall trend is still bullish. The S&P 500, the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and the Russell 2000 continue to hold tight to the upside, regardless uncertainty surrounding the pandemic, inflation fear, tapering, and the mess in Afghanistan evacuation. Some important sectors start turning around that can keep the market going up. I will going to show you later so we can focus on what stock and sector are the strongest and looking for the stock to trade for the next week. Now let's take a look on the major indices to see what they are doing so that we can see where we are at. So first of all, look at the evening S&P 500. The overall trend is still bullish, but last week the market is just sideways. They're not going down, but they are not really going up. So that's the nature that when I get to the holiday weekend, so the people, they just take it easy. Okay, and look at the Nasdaq. It also still hang tight to the upside, but they are not going nowhere for the last 4 or 5 days. And the Dow, it also, you see that it's very sideways, jumpy, they go nowhere. But the Russell 2000 is able to break out of the resistance, and then they put it up, they pull it back down, but the overall trend is still bullish. Let's see they be able to get back and retest the all-time high here next week probably. And if you look at the crude oil is able to get back to the top here. They tapped to the resistance, they failed to break out, so now they pull back down a little bit. Gold, it also try to hang tight to the upside. So if they can hold on here, they try to get back to test the resistance there. The natural gas is also doing well, so they were able to get up to the sell zone here already. So this one is we pinpointed that got months ago. This stock is bullet. Now they get into the top right now, and the Bitcoin is still bullet. The overall trend is still bullet and still hold on to the upside. The Ethereum is pretty strong since we be able to pinpoint the buy zone. Now they already more than double the value already. So they try to get up and test the resistance on the pivot high right now. And if you look at the volatility index, okay, they are still stay in the low bound right now. So which is the market is still stay very calm. So you have the market to move up to move up in the as long as they stay low here. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, it tried to put it up a little bit here, so that more sign of inflation and it can cause some damage to the technology stock. Let's see they come back and retest, and then they will, if they fail to break to this level, they can continue to go down. That will help the technology stock to move higher. So as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology and the proper risk management technique, and for sure you are at risk. The expert trader course offered by Stock Navigators teach the right education to fit your trading objective to be a successful trader or investor. We train, mentor, and empower thousands of our students to operate 100% independently, to navigate the market with the confidence. But we understand that it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day on our live Q&A with multiple instructors until you are successful, and guide you in our live 24-hour Discord community so that you can get support by our strong community with thousands of members so that you can follow along. This is the only way that you can build your own financial freedom. Now let's take a look deep inside the sector and we're looking for the strong stock to trade for the next week. So first of all, as you can see that the real estate sector is still doing very strong here. As you can see here, they continue to put it back up. As I mentioned last week, we highlight a couple of stocks for you. It's still doing strong, like AMT, right? And this one here, the American Tower, is very strong. They put it up, and then if you have been following me, this one we highlight. It's in last week, and the DRE. Okay, Duke Realty is still very strong there. KBR, okay, that's another one. It's still heading to the upside. NETL is still very strong there. And let me see here. Yep, and then EPRT. Okay, that's another one. It's also very strong there. The next sector that we should look at that's the healthcare and bio sector. They are still doing extremely well here because the Delta variant is still increasing every day. So a lot of vaccine stock, okay, and the whole sector is doing well. As you can see here, that the biotechnology it still hangs strong to the upside and currently is work out and put it to the upside here. And a lot of stock in this sector is still doing well, like REGN, a very strong stock. Okay, this is the they have a medication that take care of the COVID patient. And if you look at here, a lot of stock on the way to move up, like Gillette, okay, mRNA, that's the vaccine, okay, and Moderna, after they pull back, found support. Now they try to put it back up again. Johnson Johnson, that's another one that they pull back, found support, hold up there. And Pfizer, that's another vaccine stock that after they hit to the top, they pull back. Now they try to run up again. If you look in to the energy sector, that's another sector after they pull back down and look like they found a support. And if they be able to break this level here, they will continue to put to the upside. And a couple of stocks in this sector that we mentioned, like LPI, right now they try to test the resistance here. If they can clear that area, they will continue to move higher. A couple of stocks like NEE, okay, next is energy. If they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to put it up to the upside. NOA, that's another one. Okay, they are testing the resistance right now. If they can clear the area, they will have more room to run. In terms of technology, that's a strong one. Okay, so far the technology sector still hold very strong and very tight to the upside. They are a strong component of the S&P 500, and as long as the Nasdaq still push it back up, they will have the XLK move it up also. So you can see that a lot of stock that we have been mentioned in this sector, like IGV, okay, this one here we highlight for you since the last couple of weeks. They continue to rumble to the upside there. The Amazon is still doing well, okay, and the Tesla is also doing well. So this one, if they can clear this resistance here, they will get up to more to the upside. And the couple of stocks like Service Now, as we mentioned last week, it's still continue to put it strong to the upside here, okay. And the ETSY, which is another strong one, it still puts it up to the upside. And the Snap is the whole tie here, Okay, and then looking forward to put it up again. Um, the in the technology sector, a couple strong stock in the semiconductor. They are doing extremely well. As you can see here, semiconductor continue to in the high demand right now. So a couple of stock in the semiconductor, as you can see here, like Nvidia is still extremely strong. Another one is MXL, Lam Research. So those stocks, if they can get back at top here, they will continue to put it up. Okay, and as you know that the small cap stock have been doing very well. As you can see here at IWM. Okay, so we are trying to get back to test the all-time high here. So a lot of small and mid cap stock, they are doing very well. As you can see here, let me let's see, PLTR, try to hang up, try to test the resistance there. A bunch of stuff I showed you before, like ARKK, ARKW. Okay, they all moving forward, and FFTY, the one that we highlight for you last 2 weeks, it to get out of resistance and then run up very fast to the upside right now. Couple more talk like PMPL. This is another one that tries to break out of resistance here. Okay, so many of these small cap stocks, they are doing very well right now. So you should focus on those stocks, and then you can follow and make some money. Beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where I will handpick about 5 best stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Enjoy your long holiday weekend. Good luck in your trading, and I will see you next week. Take care, everyone.